Welcome to the Zinavo WordPress plugin series. This video will guide you through the steps to install and activate a Zinavo Redirection Manager plugin. Let's get started. Open the official Zinavo website, navigate to the plugin menu, and click Redirection Manager. It will navigate to a particular plugin page. Click the Download button. Save zip file in your window. Now log into the WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins, select Add New Plugin. Then, click the Upload Plugin button. Click Choose File to select the plugin zip file that we downloaded earlier. Now, click Install Now. Once the installation is successful, click the Activate Plugin button. Here, you can see the Redirections plugin is now active. Next, go to Dashboard, and then you see there is a new option, Redirection Suite. There you can update URLs you want to redirect. And that's it. You have successfully installed and activated your Zinavo Redirection Manager WordPress plugin. If you have any questions, be sure to check out our other helpful guides. Thanks for watching.